Taking that ride to nowhere. We'll take that ride. I'm feeling okay this morning, and you know we're on the road to paradise. Here we go, here we go.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to That Nature Show. I'm your host, Yes, and this is my co-host, KAZOO. Being that we are lovers of nature and animals, we have decided to do a show about what we know best, nature, and all of its creatures. This show, particularly today, is about bears. Bears are big, fuzzy animals that live in the woods and sleep in caves. Most woods have bears, but not all. Their main diet consists of fish, meat, and whatever they find in your garbage. Being that it is winter, all the bears currently are fast asleep, hibernating in their caves, so it is very safe to observe them. And now KAZOO and I will enter a cave to find and observe a sleeping bear in its natural habitat. Here we go. Come on, let's go. I don't. Is that a bear? Okay, I see a pair of eyes, but let me see.
Taking that ride to nowhere. We'll take that ride. I'm feeling okay this morning, and you know we're on the road to paradise. Here we go, here we go.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to the next episode of That Nature Show. My name is Yes, and this is my co-host, KAZOO. Today on the show, we're going to be talking about fox. Now, foxes are small red animals that run through the forest, and they like to get into people's chicken pens and eat the chickens. And you ever hear of the saying, as sly as a fox? Well, they're pretty sly and they're hard to catch, but we're going to try to see if we can sneak up on one while he's sleeping in his cave and observe him in his natural habitat. Okay, let's go, KAZOO. It's going to be fun. It's kind of dark in here, KAZOO. Do you see anything? Oh, wait, there he is, the fox. Look, there he is, the very elusive fox. Now, wait a second. Who's that guy? Wait, what, a penguin dressed as Santa Claus? What are you guys doing? What the hell are you doing? Get the out of here. Hello, everybody, and welcome to That Nature Show. I'm Yes, and this is my co-host, KAZOO. Today on the show, we're going to be talking about moose. Moose are very large creatures that live in the forest, and they have antlers on their head. They're very slow, and they don't really do much, except get shot in the face by Sarah Palin. We're going to see if we can find one. Okay, KAZOO, let's go, because to tell you the truth, this show hasn't been doing well. We've been screwing up every time, so maybe this show will be better. We won't get, beat up or find any gay foxes or anything. Okay, well, KAZOO, we're coming up on a moose. I told you they weren't hard to find because they're big. They don't do much. Okay, that's good. Look at them. I see them. Do you see them? Good, I'm glad you see them. This is good. There's a moose. It's a moose. Pretty amazing, don't you think?
We're on the road to nowhere. We're on the road to nowhere. We're on the road to nowhere. We're on a road to
Hello, everybody. This is Yes, and this is, fuck this shit. Hello, everybody. This is Yes, and welcome to that. Oh, damn it. Hello, everybody. This is Yes. No. Jesus. Hello, everybody. This is Yes, and welcome to that. What the fuck? Hello, everybody. This is Yes, and welcome. Wait, what? Hello, everybody. This is Yes. Hello, everybody. This is Yes, and welcome to That Nature Show. And this right here is my co-host, KAZOO. Today on the show, we're going to be talking about moose. Moose are very large creatures with big antlers that roam the forests. They don't do much, but they take a big dump, so eat the fucking chicken shit. Hey, everybody. This is the boosh bag motherfucker. And this is this guy. Today we're talking about moose. Moose, the big motherfuckers that get shot in the face. Sometimes moose get their ass fucked. That's funny. And then they go, bang, and they're like, what the fuck? And then the mooses, let me just get this guy like this. So, and then the mooses like to eat the chicken. I like mooses, chicken. Mooses, and sometimes the mooses don't do well. So, all right, let's go. We're gonna go. Come on.